Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to hide Active Now on Instagram. Many social media platforms and chat apps nowadays incorporate a feature indicating the last time a user was online or active, offering both convenience and potential drawbacks depending on your circumstances, whether personal or professional. For instance, Instagram even displays a small green dot next to a user's profile image and name when they're actively using the app. However, there are occasions when you might prefer to maintain privacy regarding your online activity, whether for specific individuals or in general. Fortunately, Instagram allows you to hide your activity status in the app. Let's see these easy steps to hide Active Now on Instagram. Open your web browser. Type instagram.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. In the first box, type your email that is registered with Instagram. In the password field box, enter your Instagram password and click on the Login button. After login on Instagram, click on your profile icon at the top right. On the next page, click on the gear icon at the top right. Click on the Settings and Privacy option from the list. Scroll down the middle panel to the How Others Can Interact with You section. Click on the Messages and Story Replies menu. On the right side of the Message and Story Replies page, and under Who Can You're Online, just click on the Show Activity Status. Turn off the Show Activity Status button. This will hide active you on Instagram. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.